GoLance Freelancer Platform Review Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the GoLance Freelancer platform. Links to the platform are included in the description, so make sure to check them out after watching. In this video, I'll cover the platform's key features, who it's designed for, and why it might be a great fit for your freelancing journey. GoLance is a comprehensive freelancer platform designed for both remote workers and businesses seeking to hire talent. It stands out for its user-friendly interface, transparent pricing structure, and a commitment to fostering long-term professional relationships. Unlike many freelancing platforms, GoLance emphasizes flexibility, making it suitable for freelancers in diverse industries, including IT, marketing, content creation, design, and more. One of the platform's strongest features is its competitive fee structure. Freelancers pay a flat service fee of 7.95%, which is lower than many industry competitors, maximizing your earnings. GoLance also offers multiple withdrawal options, including PayPal, Payoneer, and bank transfers, ensuring seamless access to your funds. For freelancers, GoLance provides tools to build a professional profile, including portfolio uploads and a space to showcase skills and past projects. Clients on the platform are typically businesses and entrepreneurs, offering both short-term gigs and ongoing projects. Additionally, GoLance encourages hourly contracts with a built-in time tracking tool that ensures fair billing and transparent reporting. A unique feature of GoLance is its rewards system. Freelancers and clients earn loyalty rewards based on their activity and engagement on the platform. This adds an extra layer of motivation and value to long-term collaborations. Moreover, the platform actively promotes a global workforce, connecting freelancers with clients worldwide. If you're a freelancer looking for a reliable platform with lower fees, robust tools, and opportunities to build long-term client relationships, GoLance is worth exploring. Don't forget to check the links in the description to learn more and get started. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing.